Just, I mean, you just not satisfied. I'm sure he wants food, but you can't eat a whole bunch of treats after you just got out of a GI issue. So he keeps making this sound. What? 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 Bandit, what do you want? What? You want to play? I'll play with you, but you're not getting treats right now. You're gonna take it easy with the treats. You want to play with the ball? No. What do you want? What? 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 Oh, you startled me. What's the matter? I just let him out. He's got plenty of water. What? You're so spoiled. You want a snack, right? You can't have one. I'm sorry. You gotta take it easy with the food right now. You're so silly. Oh, is it because, wait, look, is it because you lost your ball back there? Yeah, I was throwing the ball and it fell back behind the bed. Look, I found it. Look, here it is. I got it. There you go. Is that what you wanted? No? How do you zoom out? Oh my gosh. Bandit. Now I see what the problem is. Okay, so that's Bandit's ball, and that's Bella's ball over there. And she likes to steal these. I'm going to take that back. That one's not yours. That one's Bandit. Is that what you wanted? Oh, nope. Oh, what? I don't know what you want then. I don't know, Bandit boy. I don't know what you want. Oh, they're watching the Spurs game in the other room. I'm not allowed to watch because they say I'm bad luck. Ready? Ready? Catch! He's a horrible catch.